New just listed home, 1000 Cove K Drive Unit 2C, Clearwater, Florida, by Daniela Silverstone from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium offers 848 square feet of easy living space. Welcome to this bright and convenient home where an inviting living and dining area flows onto an enclosed, covered balcony perfect for relaxing. The kitchen is thoughtfully finished with solid wood cabinetry, stone counters, and includes all appliances. 2 comfortable bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms provide privacy and convenience for residents and guests. Enjoy resort-style living in a guard-gated community with a pool and tennis courts, where cable, internet, and water are all covered for truly effortless living. This gem won't last long. Act now.